for court number 5. On number 9, Rosario Angel versus Ricky and Ivan Yoshi. Court number 1, congratulations, Tia and Wang C2. Please stay at court number 1 as an announcement. Court number 5, calling Sophie Kitty and Ivan Yo. Court number 8, congratulations, Bhaskar and Andrew Malvi. Please stay at court number 8 as an announcement. Court number 5, Sophie Kitty and Ivan Yoshi first. It's okay, it's big water first. 2 minutes. Court number 8 players, Hong Jie Xiao and Jing Tan versus Anthony San and Sharon Reginaldo. Court number 3, congratulations, Leslie Lee and DK2. Please stay there at the line set. Court number 3, Li Junhao and Fu Weihu and Sasikan Rongdoi and Schwartz. Court number 3. Court number 6, congratulations to Alzo Llano and Yerna Adame. Please stay there at the line side. Court number 6, next players, Phil Brunei and Yu Guane versus Yanni Gonzalez and Marco Sakai. Court number 5, next players, Osan and Angel versus Sophie Yati and Ivan and Joe Chingler. Court number 5, Sophie Yati and Ivan Joe Chingler versus Osan and Angel. Court number 5. Congratulations to Paul and Ashley Kumar. stay back at the line. Court number 7, next players. Eva Nicholas Blanco and Pinky Yoshiki versus Teng Tianchi and Wendy Shen. Board number 5, last ball for Ivan Liao and Feng Pi. Board number 5, begin.
How are you?
Taking over. Good balance. Board number 7, begin. Congratulations, board number 9, Orange Hong and Albert Lee Weijian. Congratulations, board number 9, Orange Hong and Albert Lee Weijian. Please stay back as the one play. Board number 9, next players. Lorna Villaforte and Joselia versus Alex and Elvin. Board number 9, Lorna Villaforte and Joselia versus Alex and Elvin. Alright, welcome back once again to the OSG Badminton Club's PSG Ultimate 4th Edition 2026 Open Doubles Tournament. Court number 1, Vivian Tan and Byron Capitani versus Kevin Del Rosario and Ayla Tan. Umpire for court number 1, please. Beijing.